Next, we will be touching on another so-called health-giving properties of drinking water. Okay, this particular one is of great concern or great interest to almost everybody, simply because it is antioxidant or anti-aging, or even commonly some would call it antioxidant means anti-cancer. So it is of great interest, and we would like to explore then, okay, what would the electrolyzer, the MLRD patented electrolyzer can do, okay, by upgrading it into reducing or antioxidant water. Now, in order to do that, we would use a very commonly available tester. It is called iodine. Okay, this is readily available in the supermarket or in the pharmacies. So you can get a bottle of it, and this iodine is actually an oxidized iodine. Iodine that is useful to the body, okay, it's actually colorless or whitish in color. We normally would have the so-called iodized salt, which is whitish in color. When iodine is oxidized, it has a germicidal property, but subsequently it becomes yellowish or brownish in color. So if anything, including water, that claims to have an antioxidant property or antioxidant property, okay, then we would be able to use this one, and that particular water with the antioxidant property should be able to reverse it back or reduce it back to the original colorless iodine. So we're going to collect 4 types of water for this particular demonstration. We would again take from the first cup, okay, the first cup, the tap water, and then subsequently the tap water that goes into to become reverse osmosis or RO water. So we will collect the reverse osmosis water. Okay. Then what we would do is we would then hook up the RO water into the electrolyzer, the MLRD patented electrolyzer, and we will subsequently produce 2 types of water. One that is bottom flowing, we will call it acidic oxidative astringent water. Okay. So we will collect it in our 3rd cup. We will collect an acidic oxidative astringent or skincare water, okay, in our 3rd cup. And we would position as such, number 3. And the last one, we would collect the reverse osmosis active hydrogen alkaline ionic water that claims to have very powerful antioxidant properties. So let's see what happens then. So there are 4 cups of water that almost look alike. They all look like water. And we would put this tester, the iodine, into each of these. Okay, we're going to put a couple of drops. So equal amount of iodine into each of these. And we would then try to stir it. Okay, we would try to see if there's any difference in the antioxidant property. The first one is a tap water. It has limited antioxidant properties. Comes the reverse osmosis water. Okay, also, not being able to do it completely. Now the 3rd one is actually an oxidative water. So the acidic water would not be able to do it because it's also oxidative rather than antioxidant. But the last one claims to have antioxidant property, and it is very clear that it is processing with a very powerful antioxidant active hydrogen. The H- ion, negative hydrogen ions, okay, has been known as the universe and the human body's most powerful and the smallest antioxidant agent there is. Thank you.